case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the late 90s, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania examined an intricate case that aimed to clarify the legal stipulations around gifting an engagement ring. The central argument was the conditionality of gifting an engagement ring, with a ruling that one can only retain said ring if they ultimately get married. If the union does not take place, the ring must be returned, a principle legally tested in the case of Lindh v. Surman in 1999. At the heart of the issue was Rodger Surman, who, after a tumultuous engagement period, had called off his engagement to Janis Lindh. Unwilling to part with her engagement ring, Janis sparked a legal confrontation when she refused to return it. The court's paramount challenge involved deciding between a couple of different approaches, more specifically, the fault-based versus the no-fault approach. Rodger took the initial step by launching a complaint that demanded either the ring's return or a monetary compensation equivalent to its value. After the case went through arbitration and a trial, the appellate court eventually favored Rodger's plea. The judgment boldly declared that an engagement ring must find its way back to the giver's hand, irrespective of who instigated the termination of the engagement. Ultimately, the court put an end to the tug-of-war by ruling that pinning fault was not crucial in order for the donator to reclaim their engagement ring. Consequently, the court established a rule that commands the return of the engagement ring whenever an engagement meets its end, fault aside. However, this rule exclusively applies to engagement rings and does not extend its reach to wedding gifts or any other presents exchanged amid matrimony.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.